It's funny how you don't realize how dirty your house is until you go to film a video for 3 microfiber cleaning towels. These made quick work of some gunk on the door, this weird whatever on the bathroom mirror. Poof, gone. Water droplet spots that had been underneath our frosted sink, those drive me nuts. Gone. More hard water marks on the bathroom counter. These things just took them away. It's incredible. Poof. Gone. Unfortunately, you can't quite see how dirty these windows were, but they were filthy, inside and out. I told my husband when I came in that looking through our front door now reminds me of a Claritin commercial. There were fingerprints all over the top of the toaster oven, and the top of the stove was a complete disaster. I don't know how this happens. It works great on the microwave, stainless steel, takes fingerprints right off. And then I even took it out to the truck where there was something dripped on the back window. Poof, completely gone. Overall, I'm really impressed by these microfiber cleaning towels. The seller did send them to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions, as well as all of this that I cleaned today, it's my own.